Okay, now we can discuss about example 2.8. Example 2.8. That is very important example. Such a question may ask for the examination. See, a slab of material of dielectric constant K has the same area as the plates of a parallel plate capacitor but has a thickness 3 by 4 into D, where D is the separation of the plates. How is the capacitance changed when the slab is inserted between the plates? That is the question. That means the same example for a parallel plate capacitor, and in between the plates of a capacitor there is a space and it is filled with a dielectric medium as usual situation. But there is a speciality. The dielectric medium is not fully occupied in between the capacitor plates. Only 3 by 4 part of the thickness. If the separation between the plate is D, then the thickness of that dielectric medium is only 3 by 4. That means the remaining 1 by 4 is vacant. No medium is there. That makes this problem a special one. If there is no medium at all, then we have the equation. If there is full dielectric medium, then also we have equation to easily solve it. But here 1 by 4 part is with a no medium and the 3 by 4 part is with a dielectric medium. That is the peculiarity. We can solve it. How is the capacitance changed when a slab is inserted? Initially there was no medium, but second stage we introduced a dielectric medium with a thickness 3 by 4 of its the separation between the plates. So at first there was no medium in between the plates. At that time the electric field can be taken as E0. And what was the equation? We already studied the relation between electric field and the potential. E is equal to V divided by D. E0 means electric field if there is no dielectric medium. V0 means potential difference if there is no dielectric medium between the plates. Thus E0 is equal to V0 divided by D, be the electric field between the plates when there is no dielectric, and the potential difference is V0. If the dielectric is now inserted, the electric field in the dielectric will be E is equal to E0 divided by K. While we are inserting a dielectric medium, what happened? Electric field will become E. C by C0 is equal to K, like that. Okay. E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. But here we have to change it as E0. E0 is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. And from here we have E is equal to sigma minus sigma p divided by epsilon 0. So what is E divided by E0? Sigma minus sigma p divided by epsilon 0 divided by sigma by epsilon 0. Epsilon 0 and epsilon 0 will cut and we will get like this. Sigma minus sigma p divided by sigma is equal to 1 by k. That is E by E0. Okay. From there we get this equation. E is equal to E0 divided by k. Now from there we can write V is first what the total potential difference. We have to consider the two separate situations. We have an equation. Electric field is potential difference divided by D. Therefore potential difference V is equal to E into D. E is equal to V by D. Therefore V is equal to E into D. That is we are using. Now that situations are of two types. 1 by 4 of the place does not have an electric field. At that time, V is equal to E0 into 1 by 4D plus remaining 3 by 4 part is with a dielectric medium. At that time, instead of E0 we need to write E. So E into 3 by 4D, but that is E0 divided by K into 3 by 4D. Now substitute that in both the cases. If E0 is there, D is there, that can be taken outside. Now E0 into D into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 into D. This also K is there. Again substituting, we already got E0D is equal to V just above at the beginning. E0 is equal to V0 into D. Therefore V0 is equal to E0 into D. Like that we can substitute. Then V0 instead of E0D, V0 into adding these two terms, we will get K plus 3 divided by 4K. Okay, and this equation suggests that potential difference decrease by a factor K plus 3 divided by 4K. So if you are inserting a dielectric medium, what will happen? Potential difference decreased. And again capacitance, what happened to the capacitance? Capacitance is equal to Q divided by V, and V decrease in potential difference decreasing. What happened to the capacitance? Capacitance will increase. So as we are inserted a dielectric medium there, capacitance increase. Okay, just think without any such a complexity. Consider a capacitor. If there is no dielectric medium, it has a capacitance C0, and if you are inserting a dielectric medium, maybe half of the part or full of the space in between the capacitance, what happens? Capacitance will increase. That you should always remember. That is the use of a dielectric medium. Instead of a capacitor using without a dielectric medium, if you are using a capacitor with a dielectric medium in between it, its capacitance will increase. Thus we will get a very good capacitor. Okay, now you can write this question answer and read up to this part once more. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask to me.